Hello everyone, welcome back to maths class. In the previous class we started with chapter number 25 and exercise 25 we completed the solution for first and second main. I hope so that you have gone through that video, children. This is about complementary angles. Let's recall once all the complementary ratios and start writing it once so that you will get a practice. Sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta, cos theta is equal to sin of 90 minus theta, tan theta is cot of 90 minus theta, cot theta is tan 90 minus theta, secant theta is equal to cosecant 90 minus theta, cosecant theta is equal to secant 90 minus theta. Sin and cos, tan and cot, secant and cosecant are complement to each other. Now the third main, prove that. So last time also when I was doing prove that problems, I told you children this. Whenever you have a prove that or show that problem, in one way it is plus point because we know that what the solution should be. So if something goes wrong, we will be able to bring it back so that we will get full marks in the examination. Here, the first question is tan 10, tan 15, tan 75, tan 80. So good to simplify to get 1. So you have to think a little bit in smart way. All the tan trigonometric, all the tan complementary ratios are to cot. So if I convert to cot, there is no chance to simplify because I need to get 1 means here I have the product sign. All should get cancelled so that I should get 1. So what to do? Here is your clue, children. So LHS is equal to, I'll keep tan 10 as it is. Tan 15, I am going to apply a reciprocal ratio tan 15 as 1 by cot 15. This is the clue point, children. Now tan 75 is kept as it is. I'll take tan 80 as 1 by cot 80 degree. So among the 4, you just see that any 2 you will change. Not everything, children. Any 2. So I have taken tan 15 and tan 80. Now what to do? Here also while changing I have used little bit smart way. I'll just let you know this. Now what is cot theta? Cot theta is tan 90 minus theta. So cot 15 is written as tan 90 minus 15. I hope so you got this now. Now tan 75 by, again cot theta is tan 90 minus theta, that is 90 degree minus 80 degree. Now what happens? Simplify it. Let me keep tan 10 as it is. 1 by 90 minus 15 is tan 75. So keep tan 75 as it is. 90 minus 80 is tan degree, 10 degree. Tan 75 cancel, tan 10 cancel. So the solution is equal to 1, that is RHS. So here the major point is before you start you should know how can you simplify. We know only 2 things. One is reciprocal ratio, another one is complementary angles, and then with the standard angles. So standard angles cannot be applied here, and only thing is complementary or reciprocal. So if I apply complementary in the beginning, there is no choice for simplification. So what shall I do? Apply the reciprocal ratio and then proceed with complementary ratio. So the second problem seems to be similar, but you have a plus. That means let me group the first and second group separately within the bracket. So sine and secant. In the similar way, let me write sine 42 as it is, secant as 1 by cos 48. Why I am changing? I can change secant as 1 by cos with reciprocal ratio. Next cos or sine with complementary ratio. Okay, now what to do? Here also keep cos 42 as it is, 1 by sine 48. Now apply the complementary ratio in the denominator, that is sine 42 into 1 by sine 90 minus theta, 90 minus 48, plus cos 42 into 1 by sine will change to cos 90 minus 48. Now here is the simplification part. Keep sine 42 as the same. 90 minus 48 is 42. Sine 42 will get cancelled. So keep cos 42 into cos 90 minus 48 is cos 42. Cos 42 gets cancelled. So this simplification you will get 1, plus this by simplifying you will get 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, which is equal to your RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. So it is must to conclude the problem by this, children. So usually whenever we do prove that problems, so I'll just brief out and I'll give you a clue how to start the prove that problem, children. Note down here. Whenever if it is prove that or show that, we have 3 ways to start. First way is I should start my LHS. After simplifying, the value will be equated to RHS. This is one way. The second way is you have to start from RHS. After simplifying, you will get your LHS. Second way. And the third way is start with LHS, simplify and keep the answer. And again take RHS, simplify and mark the answer. Say that the solution of left LHS and RHS are same, hence they are equal and it is proved. So how to start is your smartness, and you will get it only by practicing much problems. If you practice more problems, automatically by looking at the question you will come to know. Usually when it is LHS and RHS, we start from complicated size where there is much chance to do the simplification, so that the other side will be your solution. So keep this point in mind, children. Whenever you do prove that problems, just see in which way you are going to start. So if starting is right, remaining things will go very easily. Let me move on to next question, that is question number 4. So in question number 4, it is said that express each of the following in terms of angles between 0 and 45. So already it is given as sine 59 and tan 63, and it is instructed that it has to be expressed in terms of angle between 0 and 45. So very easy. Convert sine to cos, tan to cot. Let's see what happens. Sine theta can be equal to cos 90 minus theta, plus tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. Now do it. What is 90 minus 59? That is equal to 31. That is cos 31. Plus 90 minus 63, it is equal to cot 27 degree. So the angles were converted so that it is between 0 and 45. Next, question number 2. Cosecant 68 minus cot 72. So cosecant can be written as secant 90 minus theta, and cot can be written as tan 90 minus theta. So what is 90 minus 68? That is 22 degree. 90 minus 72, that is equal to 18. So do the calculation carefully, children. This is equal to tan 18 degree. Here also my theta value is between 0 and 45. Next, cos 74 secant 67. Cos can be the complementary ratio of sine, that is 90 minus theta. Secant can be equal to cosecant. Cosecant 90 minus theta, that is 67. 90 minus 74 is 16 sine 16 degree. 90 minus 67 is cosecant 23 degree. So these are very simple problems. Please don't expect such type of problems in examination. It is just a preparation for you to solve the problems based on these type of values. Okay, it is just a preparation for the complication problems, introduction problem, or we can say a learning problem. What did we do? We have to express the theta between 0 and 45. So we converted sin theta to 90 minus theta, tan theta cot 90 minus theta. And the similar way, second and third problem. Now look at the fifth problem. It is said that for triangle ABC, show that sine of A plus B by 2 is equal to cos of C by 2. So as it is said that in triangle ABC, let me say that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree. What is the reason? Yes, you are right. Angle sum property. So we know this very well and we have applied many times also. So now can I write this as angle A plus angle B is 180 minus C? Of course. So here, as the sine is related to the angle trigonometry, you can avoid writing angle A. Say that A plus B is 180 minus C. Now start with your LHS. Sine of, in the place of A plus B, what shall I write? 180 minus C by 2. Okay, this is sine theta. I'll take its complementary. Cos 90 minus theta. Theta is 180 minus C by 2. This is sine theta. Its complementary is cos 90 minus theta. Now what happens? Cos, take 2 as the LCM. 90 into 2, 180. This is minus. 2 is LCM, so it is 180. Minus into minus plus C. Plus 180 minus 180 cancel. You will get cos C by 2, which is equal to my RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Similar way, so I don't repeat the preliminary steps. I can say that B plus C is 180 minus A. But you have to say this, children, in triangle ABC, by applying angle sum property, A plus B plus C is 180, hence B plus C is 180 minus A. So let me start with LHS. In the place of B plus C, we are going to substitute tan of 180 minus A by 2. This is my tan theta. Tan theta is cot 90 minus theta. Theta value is 180 minus A by 2. 90 is the complementary. So same way, take the LCM. 180 minus 180. Once you open the bracket, minus into minus will become plus A. Plus 180 minus 180 cancel. Cot A by 2, which is equal to your RHS. Therefore, I can say that LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. So by this we have completed solution up to question number 5. We'll meet with question number 6 and 7 in the next video. Till then, take care. Thank you so much, children.